What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kenny, aka Texas 3S, and today we are adding a few more LEDs to the car. So first up, we do have, these are stock LED turn signals, but we got new ones which are here. These are from Carbon Bits from my brother Nicholas. Thank you. He even wrote my name on there, my full name, my government name. Awesome. But these are LED turn signals that are sequential. So they do the la left thing that the Audis do. And just got tinted by Kevin Kuruma Wraps. Thank you for this, because I don't know, I think it'll look better tinted. So yeah, we got two of these left and right, and we'll throw these on real quick. We need to obviously take this out, and to start that, we have to take out the glass on the mirror itself, and then it's held by a couple of screws in there. So what we want to do is just bend it upwards like this, or downwards, wherever you want. But you're just going to want to pry the mirror off, because it's just held on by a clip, bunch of clips. And it's going to make a lot of like popping noises, it'll be fine. So just like that. You can let it dangle like this right here, or whatever you want. And there's 5 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's holding the mirror cap, so you can remove the light right after. Be careful, because once you take this off, your mirror cap can just push off and fall down. And as soon as you unscrew it, you can remove the mirror cap all the way, just like this. And now that it just exposes you to this mirror light here, and it's plugged in through this clip, you just want to push that release button and then pull it out, like so. And now we'll get the replacement one real quick. This is the old one here, and this is the new one. And it's all plug and play. They have the same pin connector in there, and mounting brackets, just like that. And now we can put it back together. There we go. Oh yeah, before we button everything back up, we're gonna test to see if it works. Oh, they work. Check that out. And then here's the other side. We just align the clips back together and push it in, and then you'll hear a bunch of clicks. Remember, apply even pressure, so I'm doing here and then here, 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 whatever. And you'll hear it click. Okay, that's in. Now we just have to position your mirrors, because obviously we're messing with it. So motor still works. We are good to go. And boom, both sides are done. Subtle, but so good. Look at that. But y'all thought that was all? Yeah. Y'all are in for a treat, because I am doing LED Underglow. So yeah, we got this kit from Amazon. We're gonna use our power source as a fuse tap. It comes with a 12-volt plug, but we're not gonna use that. We're gonna plug it straight to the fuse. It looks different. Comes with the switch, but we don't need that. The zip ties to mount them, and then some mounting brackets with the screws. And then here's all the goodies. These are the LED lights. It has the Bluetooth controller here. And we'll basically wire the controller to the front and then follow everything through the sides and the wheel wells. First, we are going to need a long enough power cable, because this one won't reach the inside of the engine bay. I mean, the inside of the firewall to the fuse box. So we're going to cut off this 12 volt and basically extend the wires. Okay, so basically I've just cut off these connectors, because we're not going to use this, and we're going to use this wire to extend from the light connector all the way to the fuse box. To shove the wire through the firewall, we used a metal hanger, clothes hanger, and then tied the string or power to the one end Shoved it through. There's a rubber like gasket thing right there.
That final one sucks.
And then there is a white hanger sticking out right there. Boop. And just pull that all the way through and the wire should come out. And I separated the ground, the black wire, from the red wire because I'm gonna just ground it right here with the existing ground. And then our positive will go into the fuse tap, which is right here, and the fuse box is right here, and I'll take out the cover so we can show you which one we're gonna be tapping into. There's one that's the ignition 2, which is 10 amp, right there, right above my thumb, and it's gonna be between the wiper 5 amp and the amp number 1, which is a 30 amp. So yeah, 10 amp, we're just gonna add a fuse right there. I don't know if y'all ever seen fuses under there, but they're pretty hard to pull out. And under this box here, there is a fuse puller. We just have to push this tab upwards. Push it in right here, there's a little clip. And this just releases up. And there's a fuse puller inside of here. It's that one right there. And basically you just clip it and then pull it out. So it's a 5, 10, and 30. It's this red 10 right here. So yeah, we're hooked on just like that, and now we just pull straight out. And the fuse is out. Okay, now we got the fuse out, and we have to add a fuse. This will just plug right into where we took the one out, and then we're gonna fill these 2 empty slots with 10 amp fuses, so the stock one that came with it. And then the kit that I ordered comes with a bunch of 10 amp fuses. We're plugging that in. And then just plug in this whole connector right where we pulled the old one out. And then this red wire will tap into the red wire that we forced through the firewall right there. Just like this. Got the red here. We're gonna split it a little bit. Just like that, expose some copper. I'm gonna twist the wire up so that there's a solid connection. And then we put these 2 ends together and then clamp it down. And give it a nice tug, and if it doesn't pull, then we're good. Now we just plug this in right where we took out that little 10. It was one of the middle ones right here. But maybe it's better facing the other way. Yeah, this way is better actually. It'll basically just look like that. And now we're ready to wire the lights together. I just grounded it right there. The positive going to the fuse, and this is running into the fender liner. You're gonna have to take off this plastic piece. It just wiggles left and right and then up. So it's in the fender liner right now, and it came out. So I'm running it through the fender liner under the car, so nothing will be out this. Here's an update of the LED lights. Sit on the bottom with the little brackets, just like that. Wire is going through the fender liner. Kevin hooked up the side skirt lights. They're just traveling along there. It's actually sitting on this piece of plastic here, and we drilled it so it could be held by zip ties and then 3M tape. Also prepped it, cleaned the bottom. We'll be tucking the wire there all the way to the back, and then the back lights are right here. We're just gonna tuck that in the wheel well, fender liner also, and then hook it to the back. No, run away. All right, so we're done, basically.
Yeah. All we did was zip tie the bottom and 3M it to the plastic piece.
The bumper, there's the rear under tray. We just tapped it into there. The front, you have some under tray plastic. Just tap into there. Mine's all messed up. Don't even look at it. All right, guys, we got it wired up. Here it is working. Bunch of modes. There's like 120 you can mess with. Wraps all the way around to the back and the front. Probably get y'all a better shot when it gets darker. But that's how it looks during the day. Underglow boys! Woo! Alright guys, here's the end result. Kevin got it too. We're on white mode right now. Also, the rear. Oof. Hey, with that being said, guys, thanks for watching the video. The mirror lights are from Carbon Bits, Nick. Slow White Lexus. Thank you for those. And then these are from Amazon. I will leave the links in the video description below. All the Amazon links are affiliate links, so whatever I make goes directly back to my car or back to the channel to help upgrade, content. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace! Bye.